I think the public is ready to know if anyone has visited us. They can accept that, and they want it.
One of the most puzzling incidents in space happened on mission STS-82 to service the Hubble telescope. Astronauts Steve Smith and Mark Lee reveal that they're seeing some strange flashes as they re-enter the airlock of the shuttle.
Okay, all right, that's good. Let's go out. Oh, the flash. The light flashed off the 16th there. What? I just thought of it in my imagination. Yeah. I saw it too, so it's flat. It was two of them.
As you well know, the subject of UFOs in particular has been relegated to tabloid journalism, the arena of science fiction. Why is it, do you suppose, or do you believe that it's been given a fair shake by science, and if not, why not?
No, it hasn't, because it's rather clear there's been a lot of misinformation, disinformation. There's been a very active effort on the part of presumably people in the know to discourage public participation, media participation, to discredit the whole area. And that seems to have been true for at least 50 years. And also the very existence of an extraterrestrial presence, or an extraterrestrial existence even, went against the conventional science of 30, 40 years ago. Even when I went to the moon, almost 30 years ago now, it was the conventional wisdom, both in science and theology, that we were alone in the universe. And I don't think people really believe that anymore, but that was a conventional wisdom. And the UFO reports have been going on for at least 20 years before that, and somewhat, almost 30 years before that, and being denied and swept under the rug and covered up and filled with disinformation. So it's acquired an enormous giggle factor as a result of all of this information.
A distinguished astronaut who agrees with Jack Casher's belief in the reality of UFOs is Gordon Cooper. Now in his 80s, Cooper had a sighting while serving as a fighter pilot in Germany in 1951.
Well, the weatherman had reported seeing these objects in the sky, and various other people got binoculars and looked for them, saw them also, and they were flying formations similar to our fighter formations, and we proceeded to launch some airplanes to see if we could get up to where they were, and we could not, and gave up on it.
Regarding the Apollo mission, I can't say 100% for sure whether these men walked on the moon.
Brian O'Leary was a NASA astronaut in the 1960s and served as a science advisor during the Apollo moon missions.
It's possible that NASA could have covered it up just in order to cut corners and to be the first to allegedly go to